do you create a kitchen faucet experience that consumers will love? Observe, understand, design thoughtfully, create meaningful innovation. At Moen, that's our daily goal. Effortless faucet operation is essential in the kitchen. That's why we've perfected every aspect of our pull-down and select pull-out systems. We observed how people like you use their faucet every day to understand what delights and frustrates users. The result? Reflex. No effort required. Reflex works with your movement, not against it, for smooth, easy use every time. An ergonomic wand naturally detaches from the spout. Reflex was designed with enhanced hose flexibility and swivel joint, so you can enjoy maximum range of motion. Smoothly reach all corners of the sink, no matter what the task. Return the wand to the docked position with one hand. The flexible hose retracts without any assistance. And the hose weight works exactly as it should. With Reflex, no more hang-ups. Its advanced docking system allows for an easy return and provides a perfect match between the wand and spout. Simply a secure fit every time. You're going to love our latest innovation, available on pull-down and select pull-out faucets. Reflex from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.